indication to the goods, the burden in this case is with the proving that assent of proprietor, it will be with the accused. So, generally you can just see that here accused has to prove that yes, he is not or she is not or entity is not doing the any illegal activity. So, accused has to prove that thing. So, this is very important to be noted that accused has to prove that thing. There is a they are like not playing with, they are not trampling any geographical indication. Now, if you see the the arrangement here, the infringement is not less than 6 months. So, minimum 6 months infringement will be there, and fine is like a 50,000 minimum 50,000 and above. So, generally you can just check that in certain cases 3 months is there, but generally overall if you see the geographical indication related any illegal activity if done by somebody, maybe individual, maybe entity, maybe any company, organization, yes, this is the provision. You can just